Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. The FET chart is currently pushing higher. The price broke above my signal line here. The price held above the invalidation point, which I identified here at around $1.09. That was the invalidation for the 1-2 setup. I mean, it is a bit of a mess here, let's be honest, but the structure is still valid. So what we talked about was a potential A, B, C structure, and the C wave is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So that's something to watch for here, but it would only be a diagonal pattern. So we're tracking this move to the upside not as an impulse, but as a diagonal structure, which means wave 1, I mean, okay, it's not, wave 1 had a 3-wave move, or it was a 3-wave move. I'm talking about this move up that started on the 4th of November and finished on the 6th of December. So this is a 3-wave move up, which I'm labeling wave 1, right? So because this is labeled wave 1 as a 3-wave move, the third wave would also be a 3-wave move in an ABC structure. That's just what it is, That's just how a diagonal pattern is formed. And it can't be an impulse because wave 1 is only in 3 waves. So it's just one of those patterns, right? So if wave 1 is a 3-wave move, right, then the third wave would also be a 3-wave move, which means we're dealing with corrective structures. And the problem is that we don't know if wave A is going to be a 5-wave move or a 3-wave move. I think it could turn into a 5-wave move. Just be aware of that. For now, I've located support between 121 and 141. That is support for a B wave. That doesn't mean we have to start the pullback now. In fact, actually, I would prefer it to go a little higher. I've just put the support area there, so in case we get that pullback, you have an area to watch, because I'm not always there to make an update. But the price has really only just reached the target area for a C wave to the upside. Yeah. So I'm waiting for a little bit more clarity here on the microstructure. Idea is that we could still stretch a little higher, 166, 172. I think it's likely. The nearest key level that you could use is the last swing low here, which formed today at around 144. So as long as this level is holding, the immediate upside potential remains intact. And the market could reach 166, 172. Should the market get to 172, then this entire move up could turn into a 5-wave move. And the A wave might turn into a 5-wave pattern. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And wave A might be a 5-wave move. It's just what they do. Sometimes they are 3 waves, sometimes they are 5 waves. That's just what these A waves do. We never know in advance, okay? But when the market gets to the 138% extension, which is located at 172, I'm considering this could turn into a 5-wave move. Then I will add support for wave 4. For now, I've just got this standard support here for a potential B wave pullback. I'm not saying wave B has started. This microstructure is a bit unclear to me. But yeah, because of that, I could definitely see the potential for a more extended move up. Because bear in mind, this move up would take us to, and we can actually define that, right? We could define that. Take the length of the, no, we need to take the length of the wave 1, circle 1, low of wave 2. So this would be essentially the target for wave 3, target range for wave 3. Need to remove the 178.6 fib level up there. Yeah, we talk about 297 for circle 3 to 350. I mean, can always go higher, right? But that would be the first ideal target here, 297. Then we want to get a wave 4 and a wave 5. And it might take us to 480. But it depends on how high circle wave 3 goes. If it's extended, then also circle wave 5 should take us higher. So this is another opportunity for FET to finally push higher. But the easy money is already made on this chart. Please be aware of that. The easy money has been made in 2023. Yeah, that was the easy money. We were tracking it at the time also as a third wave. And it's just going to get more difficult as we go higher towards the end of this cycle, which would be a wave 5. So I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.